In today's hyper competitive business world, managing customer relationships effectively is crucial for driving sales and fostering long term success. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales is a leading customer relationship management platform that empowers businesses to streamline their sales processes, improve collaboration, and create a customer centric sales approach. Whether you're a small business or a global enterprise, Dynamics 365 Sales offers tools that can scale with your needs. Designed with modern sales teams in mind, this CRM integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products like Teams, Outlook, and Excel, offering a unified platform for managing contacts, tracking leads, and closing deals. What sets Dynamics 365 Sales apart is its use of artificial intelligence to deliver insights, automate tasks, and enable data driven decision making. If you're someone who values efficiency and innovation, this tool is a game changer. So basically, this tutorial is tailored for beginners and will introduce you to the key features, benefits, and reasons why Dynamics 365 Sales is a top choice for businesses worldwide. So for its key features and benefits, first is the contact and account management. Dynamics 365 Sales simplifies customer data organization by creating a centralized repository for contacts and accounts. Users can store essential details like purchase history, communication preferences, and customer interactions. This feature enables personalized interactions, fostering stronger client relationships and enhancing customer satisfaction. Another key feature is the sales pipeline visualization. The platform offers a visually appealing sales pipeline that shows deal progress, activities, and forecasts at a glance. This helps sales teams identify bottlenecks, prioritize opportunities, and maintain a consistent focus on revenue generating activities. Another key feature is the AI powered sales insights. So Dynamics 365 Sales leverages AI to analyze data, predict customer behavior, and recommend actions for closing deals. Sales reps gain actionable insights that help refine strategies and improve win rates, saving time and increasing effectiveness. Another key feature is the seamless integration with Microsoft 365. So designed to work effortlessly with Outlook, Excel, Teams, and Power BI, Dynamic 365 Sales creates a cohesive ecosystem. This streamlines workflows by reducing the need for switching between tools, improving overall productivity. Another key feature is the mobile accessibility and collaboration tools. So you'll have access sales data and collaborate with your team on the go using the Dynamics 365 Sales mobile app. This keeps teams connected and aligned, even in remote or hybrid work environments. Another key feature is the automated workflows. So it automates routine tasks like sending follow-up emails, scheduling meetings, or logging sales activities. This allows sales representatives to focus more on nurturing leads and closing deals, reducing manual effort. Another key feature is the comprehensive reporting and analytics. So use customizable dashboards and reports to monitor performance metrics and identify trends. This provides a clear picture of team performance, helping managers adjust strategies to meet sales targets effectively. So why is Dynamics 365 is a great choice? Dynamics 365 stands out because it combines robust CRM capabilities with modern AI-driven tools to enhance sales processes. Its scalability makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Additionally, for organizations already using Microsoft tools, the seamless integration ensures a smoother user experience, enabling teams to hit the ground running without a steep learning curve. The ability to customize workflows and access detailed insights also sets Dynamics 365 apart. Whether you're tracking leads, managing complex accounts, or looking to automate repetitive tasks, the platform adapts to your specific business needs, making it a versatile and forward thinking solution. So basically, Microsoft Dynamics 365 offers more than just a way to manage leads and accounts. It represents a transformative approach to sales and customer relationship management. By leveraging cutting edge technology like AI and machine learning, the platform provides tools that help sales teams stay ahead of the competition. It's not just about closing deals, it's about building meaningful long term relationships with customers while maintaining an efficient and data driven sales process. So, if your organization already uses Microsoft tools like Office 365 or Teams, the integration capabilities with Dynamics are unmatched, providing a unified system that minimizes disruptions and maximizes productivity. For newcomers to CRM solutions, the platform's intuitive design and support ecosystem ensure a smooth onboarding experience. So, by adopting this solution, you're not only investing in a tool to streamline your processes, but also empowering your team with the insights and resources they need to succeed. With Dynamics 365 sales, you can focus on what truly matters, delivering exceptional customer experiences and driving sustainable growth for your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.